Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make a simple Java program in Eclipse. So for that first you need to have your own project. So I'm going to make one project in front of you. First you have to click on file, click on new and make one Java project. If you can't find it here, then you can go in others, and in other you can find the Java project like this. So I have to give name to my Java project. So earlier I used name demo1. So now let's use demo2. You can make your own project name and just click on finish. So now what you have to do is just open your project folder. In that folder you can see the two folders. One is library folder and other is source folder. In source folder, right click over it, click on new and make one class. Now here you have to give name of your class. The class name should be the first letter of the class name should be capital. So let's have the first program of hello world. Keep it public. Click over this. Public static void method will be inbuilt here. Once you're done with it, you'll get something like this. So first of all, I want to make a simple program of hello world, nothing else. So let's begin with it. I suppose you all know the syntax and the methods and the classes that we are going to use right now. So let's use it just to print over your console screen. System.out.println. That's all you have to do. Now save it. String should be in double quotes. Just don't forget it. Now you can run your project or your file from here. Go and run, or you can even click Control F11. So for the first time I'm going to click here. This is your console screen. That's all for now. Thank you.